Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Tahoe LTZ 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z5114A. 45,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Tahoe brand new, summer white in color. Do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's Tahoe seat 7 with a leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, DVD player with wireless headphones and a remote, still in the box, never been used. Middle row buckets are also heated with rear audio and climate controls. Seats will fold flat with a touch of a button on the inside of the door. Touch again, they will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring behind the cover. Nice clean look when not in use. And power lift gate for convenience. 60/40 split third row seat. Folds flat with a touch of a button. You can also fold and tumble the second row seats from the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto mode, as well as integrated trailer brake control. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. This Tahoe has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, as well as forward collision alert, set by buttons on the steering wheel, which is also heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps. And navigation to get you where you need to go. That's also where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Wireless charging mat for cell phones. No cords in the way. Lots of storage space. And a large glove box with all the owner's material. Auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. Moonroof and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Tahoe has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and brand new tires on the 22-inch wheels. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ5114A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.